Welcome students to the another part of the video, Evolution of Transport, Part 3. In this video, you will learn about sea routes and the routes traveled by air. So, let us get started. Sea routes. Children, sea routes are the routes that are traveled through seas or oceans. Now I'll be talking about some important sea routes. There are a number of sea routes between Europe and America across the Atlantic Ocean. The busiest sea route is the one that connects New York with London through the North Atlantic Ocean. The South Atlantic route is between Europe and South American countries like Argentina, Brazil, etc. Now let's talk about some Indian sea routes. In India, there are many big ports along with our western and eastern coast. What are coast? The edge of the land where it meets an ocean. Some important ports are Mumbai, Kandla, Marmagao, Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam and Kolkata. Why sea routes? So let us see why sea routes are important to us. Sea routes are important for trading and commerce. That means for exchanging goods and other items with different countries. Sending freight by sea is cheaper. Freight means goods or items to be transported by sea. Now sea transportation becomes cheaper than air transportation. Raw materials could also be transported from one place to another. Similarly, carrying mineral ores like iron, coal, manganese, etc. can also be transported from one place to another. Ocean and sea routes are like bridges between the continents. That means sea routes play a very important role in connecting the continents. Travel by air. In the year 1783, Joseph and Jacques Montgolfier tried to fly in the air with the help of big balloons with baskets attached to them. They discovered that if fire is lit under the open end of a big balloon, it would rise into the air because the hot air is lighter. Can you see the balloon here? So this was the balloon they thought about. Later in 1903, the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, succeeded in developing the first flying machine which had engine, as we have now aeroplanes. More on travel by air. Compact plane was developed that could carry a number of passengers safely. Today, we have airplanes with more speed, comfort and safety. They are bigger in size and can carry up to 400 passengers at a time. They also carry a lot of cargo. Now cargo, they are the goods and items that can be transported by air. Supersonic planes like Concorde fly faster than sound. So, supersonic planes, they can travel at the speed of sound. Children, I hope you all have heard about aeroplanes and some of you might have experienced the journey of aeroplanes. So, aeroplanes have become very widely used means of transport. Almost all the countries of the world are connected through airways. New York, London, Mumbai, Delhi, etc. have very big international airports. The busiest air route is between North America and Europe. So that is all for this video. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all. Goodbye.